What's the meaning of corporation? Corporation. Corporation.
Corporation. Corporation. A corporation is a legal entity that is distinct from the individuals who own or operate it. It is created by and operates under the laws of a particular jurisdiction. Corporations have the ability to enter into contracts, borrow money, hire employees, and conduct business activities without being personally liable for their actions. They can also issue stocks and other securities to raise funds from investors. The purpose of a corporation is to generate profits for its owners and shareholders while limiting their personal liability. Overall, corporations play a significant role in the global economy as key drivers of innovation and wealth creation.